Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We're taking a look at Verasity here. We haven't done so in a while, and that's mostly because really nothing has been happening at all for Verasity. You can see here over the past few weeks, really low volume and interest in trading Verasity. Obviously Bitcoin has been stealing the show in the crypto markets over the past few weeks. Over the past few months really, it's been absolutely skyrocketing to the upside. Bitcoin dominance is increasing as well. And because of that, quite a lot of altcoins have been flatlining and going sideways. And you can see here, Verasity here, no exception to that rule. As I said a few weeks ago, I did think Verasity would come down and retest that 0.23 Fibonacci. You can see here we came down, perfectly retested it, got the bounce up into that key swing high, swing low area that we saw here. Obviously that head and shoulders formation that a lot of people were looking for that could have potentially happened hasn't played out yet. And really the volume has been too small, hasn't it, in the markets really for Verasity to be saying that anything major is happening in any big way. You can see it quite clearly here that we have essentially just been chopping sideways, coiling up really into a kind of maybe a little bit of a foot formation like this, but really not showing enough volume or interest for any big moves in either direction. I do think Verasity is probably going to start trickling back to the upside with the bullishness that we are seeing in the wider markets, but right now Verasity really not doing that much at all. Overall on the macro looking very strong. Obviously we've cleanly broken out of that bear market resistance for a good while now, and really we have just been chopping sideways and consolidating. You can see we've got that overextension there, a nice correction down to the Fibonacci level, also retesting some of these previous areas of structure, which is good to see, and a nice bit of structure being made, consolidating, also good to see, so that we don't just completely capitulate to the downside. Now we've got a decent amount of structure being made, but I do think Verasity is a crypto that has got a good amount of interest in it. I mean, I think this thing's going to do exceptionally well. What is it, a 20x back to the all-time high from the current price? Very good risk to reward ratio in my opinion. I do think this is a crypto that is going to do extremely well once we head into a new bull market. I've got a very nice bag of this myself, and I do think that this is going to be really positive to be holding over the next few years, in my opinion. Obviously not financial advice. In terms of the charts, really not that much to say. As I said, on the hourly chart you can see here, really we have just been chopping up and down in a little bit of a consolidation area here. Nothing really going on at all, to be honest. And as I said before, the way I'm trading this, just basically averaging into a long position for Verasity right now and waiting for that move to the upside. So as I said, nothing much going on right now. We are waiting to see what Bitcoin does, and if we do start to see Bitcoin dominance dropping, we will probably see a bit of an altcoin run, hopefully a bit of movement in the markets for Verasity and other altcoins. So that is it for today guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get a ton of benefits, so if you do want to support the channel, that's a great way to do so. And I'll see you in the next video.